So Twitter is no longer going to try and stop users from spreading false information about the coronavirus.
Yeah, this latest change is one of many enforced by billionaire Elon Musk since he took control of the company just last month. Since 2020, Twitter had suspended more than 11,000 accounts and removed more than 100,000 pieces of content for violating its COVID-19 misinformation policy. The social media giant first introduced this rule during the early days of the pandemic.
Well, joining us now is Rebecca Kern. She is a tech policy reporter for Politico. Rebecca, you reported on Elon Musk's latest pivot. Tell us what inspired this policy rollback.
Yeah, it's a little unclear. Twitter didn't formally announce it. It was found on their existing COVID-19 misinformation websites that they just updated quietly on Monday evening this week. And so it's in line, it appears, with Elon Musk's strategy of allowing more free speech on the platform. And he is allowing a lot more accounts back on that were previously banned. One of the more notorious ones was Representative Marjorie Taylor Greene, a Republican from Georgia, who had been banned from Twitter for spreading COVID-19 misinformation. So he allowed her back on last week, and now he's just decided he's not going to enforce the company's COVID-19 misinformation policy, which, as you stated, has been around for over 2 years and has arguably, according to medical experts, stopped the spread of false content related to the virus and the vaccine.
You know, the criticism Musk is facing now is that he just simply doesn't know what he's doing. This billionaire wanted to take over this website for personal reasons. And the fact that he positions and says that, hey, I want a platform where there's free speech, and then he seems to have issue with folks criticizing him. People who criticize Musk, their accounts were suspended. He said he's nonpartisan, he's a centrist, and then he encourages folks to vote for Republicans before the midterm elections. What's the reaction on Capitol Hill from, not just politicians, but media professionals when they see someone seeing themselves as like, I'm a kind of an unopinionated arbiter of what's right, but actually behaving in a way where he's trying to give, more space to conservative voices, reinstating former President Trump's account, for example, and Trump hasn't even tweeted yet. What's the reaction been from folks?
Right. Well, it's a mixed reaction depending on which party you're talking to, right? So I spoke with some Republicans yesterday. They're happy to have Musk in his corner, the world's richest man, now tweeting in support of the Republican Party. He was asked on Twitter this weekend if he would support a Ron DeSantis presidential run in 2024. He said he would. So it's interesting to watch. It changes consistently. I am always on Elon Musk's Twitter feed. Whereas Democrats are raising alarms because they are concerned that there will be offline harms because COVID misinformation is going to be spreading and no one's going to stop it. And that could lead to more unsafe actions, less masking, people, making allegations that the vaccine's not safe. A lot of lies that Twitter, while they weren't able to stop them all, they were actively trying and labeling and taking them down. Another huge factor as to why likely they've stopped enforcing is they physically don't have the staff. Musk has now laid off like maybe 2/3 of the company. We don't even know exactly how many people still work there, but a lot of them are content moderators.
All right, Rebecca Kern, thank you.